Ito na ba? Ito na, ha? Great, kahit hindi kayo, sabi ni Coach Angelita. Great, kahit hindi kayo. Ay, masyado bang mahal na mahal ang isa't isa, ha? Yan ang naman nagkakalimutan sa bansa. Ang sweet. Again, you're witnessing Amazola versus ayan. Susunod na maglalaban, ano naman? Couple match. Magkasama naman po ang maglalaban. Kasi mas madalas daw po nag-aaro yung magkasama. Kaya magkasama naman daw po yung sumunod na maglalaban. No touch na. Okay. Grabe. Tama. And off the ball. Ayan, palakpakan natin. Palakpakan naman ang wala na. Hello. Okay, we like to request music, the music. Music, pakipatay mo yan. Pakipatay mo na music. We would like to request Mr. Tim Crawford to present the championship belt to the winner. Mr. Tim Crawford, palapakan natin, Mr. Tim Crawford. He will be the one to present the championship belt to the winner. And now, after 3 rounds of amateur boxing, we go to the judges' scorecards. Your winner on points from the red corner, the amazing Amazona, Yesha Perez, to be awarded by Mr. Tim Crawford. All right, congratulations.